On this slide, we will outline the high-level steps for managing damaged cargo effectively. First, receive the cargo and conduct an initial visual inspection to note any obvious issues. Then, check the goods against the packing list to ensure quantities and descriptions match. Next, inspect all packages thoroughly for any damages or sign of tampering. Set aside any packages that are damaged or suspicious for further inspection. With the set-aside packages, take photographs to document their condition. After that, open the packages for a more detailed internal inspection if it is safe and feasible. Once opened, inspect the contents to check for any further damages or issues. Then, document any actual damage meticulously, noting all relevant details. Report the damages and submit a freight claim to the carrier, including all necessary documentation. Finally, follow up and implement corrective actions to prevent future issues and ensure the claim is processed efficiently. Following this sequence will help ensure that all steps are covered from receiving cargo to final resolution.